to know what you wish yourself in the labor room, because the story of this lady really touched me.
And yeah, normally as a pregnant woman, you'll be praying those kind of things. I want to give birth like the Hebrew woman. I want to give birth easy delivery, just 1 or 2 push, 5 minutes labor. Those kind of crazy things that doesn't exist, but you just pray for it. So I came across this woman on the Blue app, My Midwife and I, something like that. Yeah, she talked about the effects of pushing your baby with just 1 or 2 push. And when I listened to the video, I felt like, no, all these doctors and their word. So I was like, my elder sister, she had her baby the same way, just 1 or 2 push. That I was acclaiming it for myself. That kind of thing now. So little did I know that my elder sister now that had her baby with just or 2 push, that is not her first, that is her third or probably her fourth. And me, I'm just a first-time mom. So after I had my baby with just that 1 push, that I made that video, everything went fine. My baby started crying immediately. He was so fine. I was also fine. I was conscious. Nothing was happening to me. They brought the sanitary pad, inserted it in my womb, make sure that they drained all the. Nothing happened. Everything was fine. This is where the problem began. So the midwife said, calm down now so that you have your first pee. I was like, okay, they are finished cleaning me. Even after the little tea I had, they are finished stitching. Everything was fine. And I came down to have my first pee. That is where the complications started. Just within how many seconds? This life, within how many seconds, I just came down. The pee hasn't even come out. If you see the kind of that came out, it was within few seconds. The whole place was filled up, and it was so fresh, like fresh one. It's not those ones that have lumps, dark. This one was so fresh. When the midwife and the doctor saw it, they were like, they just smiled. Me, our first time mom now, I don't know anything. I asked them, what is the problem? Is this the normal thing that comes out from women when they put to bed? They just told me climb bed. I say, but I'm fine. They say climb bed. The midwife say, Mercy, climb bed. These people, they did not even give me signal to know what the problem is, so that they will not insert fear inside of me. They say climb bed, I climb bed. Babe, if you see the kind of doctors that surrounded me immediately, one thing is to be pregnant, another thing is to go to a hospital that have good facilities. So they round me. That light that they use while conducting cesarean section, they kept the light. Like they want to be focused. That was when I became scared. I say, I hope this thing is not bleeding. In my mind though, I don't know that is what it was. They gathered me. They brought so many things. I couldn't see, but I know a lot of things was inside. The I felt within that 30 minutes, probably 1 hour, the pain I felt can't be compared to the pain that I've been feeling for 1 year. 1 day of labor and delivery, of having 1 push. The pain I felt, if they ever asked me to have, what is it called, cesarean section, I've not tested it anyway, but I think I would have gone for that one. Or more, they were inserting so many things, checking from where the was coming from. Like they were checking. They finally found it. They had to start working on it. I don't know. Those things that they use in holding women once they are conducting this thing, they use it to hold me after stitching. They use those iron to hold so that they can see road. I went through hell. I went through pains. Like I could see hell. I was screaming. I was shouting. Thank God they had so nice nurses. They were calming me, rubbing my legs, rubbing my back, telling me calm down. I was on drip. They said, calm down, you'll be fine. It's for your own good. You'll be fine. It's for your own good. I said, God, I saw hell. The pain was far, 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 far worse than labor delivery. I said, this is what I wish for myself for. So what probably caused this may be because I pushed my baby with probably 1 or 2 pushes. So the womb ruptured and it started, you get. So the midwife, the video I watched, she was saying that it's not good for for you to push 1 or 2, because you are just taking the womb unaware. The baby is popping out from that place that he has been since. So those people that have a lot of pushes, you don't know what God have done for you. Don't pray for 1 or 2 pushes. This is my story. I don't wish it for anybody. If I was to choose 50 pushes, I would have preferred it than the pain I felt, seriously. Because pushing, the pushes, the contraction that come when you want to push is not that deep, not that painful like the normal one you have been feeling while you are dilating. So I prefer pushing like a 50 times than the pain I had. Peace up.